welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's J.Lashae here, and today I'm going to be doing a get to know me tag. I've been doing YouTube for about 7 years, and I never got around to doing a get to know me tag, so I figured I should start today. So we just gonna start off by answering some questions, and I'm gonna just give y'all my honest answer. So let me get my questions together and I'll get back with you. Okay, so I have all my questions written down on a piece of paper. And this is actually a get to know me / smoke with me. So you will get to know me and you'll smoke with me. So the first question, what is your favorite color? My favorite color is purple because it represents royalty. My second question is my first best friend. Honestly, it's my sister, my one and only sister. Where were you born? I was born Charlotte, North Carolina. My birthday is May 9th. I was born on Mother's Day, and my sign is the best sign there is, which is a Taurus. So, what was your worst and favorite subject in school? Hated math. I like science and English. My favorite drink. I got a couple. I like Sprite. I like cranberry juice. I like Jose. I like Hennessy. I like Pepsi. My favorite animals. I like dogs. And I like ferrets. I gotta get me another ferret. I had one. It died. My favorite scent. Nah, I like vanilla scent. Or what else? Vanilla or fruity. Yeah. My goals. My goals is to be successful in all my businesses that I have right now, my businesses in the future. Anything that got something to do with me, just be successful and strive, girl. What sports have you played? I started dancing, doing jazz, tap, ballet, gymnastics at 3. Danced from age 3 to 10. And I did gymnastics for a year. Gymnastics, like balance beam gymnastics. Did that for a year. Then when I got to high school, I was on my high school swim team and track team. And that's where the sports lost me after that. But I'm still very active and still got it. Favorite movie? I got a couple. My favorite is Crooklyn. I like Shotters. I like Rise. That's all I can think about right now. What else? Crooklyn, Rise, Shotters. That's all I can think about. My brain is in a little funk right now. Okay, my favorite YouTubers. Like I said, I've been doing YouTube for 7 years, so I know some people. But my favorite YouTubers is Smiley with the Locks. Even though she says she's not coming back to YouTube, she need to come back because the OGs need to come back. Like, these new people are so like. But anyway, I like Smiley with the Locks. I like, who else I watch? I'll keep going out. Smell It with the Locks. My new people. I like, I fuck with The Outsiders. I fuck with J Vibes. Pretty Boy XO. It's a couple. Like I say, my brain, when I need to think about it, I can never remember the name, but it's some YouTubers that I really fuck with. Like, come on, girl, let's do a collab. Are you single or taken? Taken. Since 2008, baby, and we will be getting married. We was gonna do the wedding this year, but Lorona. So I'm just wait till all this stuff clear out. Give me more time to plan, more time to lay out. But we will be doing a wedding, 2021. I don't know what month I want yet, but I got time to figure that out. It's just gonna be something. Y'all see. Favorite food? Seafood. Seafood. I like Chinese food. Love Mexican food. Love it. Favorite vacation? Got to go back to Jamaica. If y'all ain't never been to Jamaica, you better take a trip. Because when I tell you, ain't nothing like Jamaica. But yeah, y'all, that's it. That's all I got for y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for watching.